Right, because Mel hasn't been able to get out, she wanted us to do a video to show everybody.
Oh, ice cream yan.
Oh, ice cream.
Pira ka po? 7, 8.
So this is what we've got about every 10-15 minutes throughout the day. It's pabile or whatever, ice candy. So they want 7 ice candy.
Yeah, ice candy.
Yeah, look. So anyway, getting back to it, Mel wanted to show you all that everything's okay, and apart from my little Blossom being a little bit poorly and my little girl, she's been a bit jaundiced.
Oh, she's changed.
And she's changing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She
she's
like
changing.
She look like you na.
She doesn't look like me.
Yes, look.
I can't see me in her.
Are you blind? Why you?
Well, yeah, that's why I wear glasses, baby. Yeah.
She cry. She cry. She smile.
He's smiling.
She agreed that she look like you, not like me, not me.
So we've got some people to thank, haven't we?
Yeah.
Now I feel really, really bad because someone very nice, very kind, brought me some things for my computer from the US. Well, 2 people did, but the first one was a young lady from the US whose name is Diana. And she was really lovely.
Visit to me when I'm in the clinic.
Yeah, she actually brought the stuff to the clinic, and Mel had just had the baby, and I to my shame forgot to thank her on camera. We of course thanked her in person, but you know, that's never enough, is it? So we want to thank her from the bottom of our hearts for her kindness. And the other one, Elgin.
Yeah. The one who bring the motherboard.
He's brought my motherboard so I can repair my computer. You can see the place is in a mess. And he also brought me new CPU cooler. I'm not using this anymore because it fills the case and I can't get to anything. It's just going to make things a little bit more neat, accessible, sorry, when I get round to finishing it all off, because I've got to take these fans out because I'm going to mount the radiator at the top, and because I'm so good at hiding the wires, I don't know where the wires go, and then I'm trying to do something and Mel's not here, or Mel's doing something else, and it's kuya ice candy every few minutes, and I can't get into it.
Even the door is closed.
Yeah, even
still knocking. It's stressful.
Oh, it's very stressful. Then we shut the door so we can do stuff.
Yeah.
And it's knock. Then the knock on the window, and it's like the shouting Mel, and then if they can see me, they're shouting me. But when this little beautiful lady's here, normally she'll get the ice candy, won't you, baby? So everything's okay. My printer, as you know, has not been working that good. I've been starting to upgrade it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of this case because it's taking up a lot of room. And I managed to print these off, so I'm going to take the display out of there and put it in here and mount the display on there, and then the motherboard and what have you, the motherboard's going to go in here with the other bits and bobs. and cooling fan and what have you. And that'll go on the side. That'll go on this side here. And then on the other side, I'll put the power supply here. So that box will be no more. Well, that's the theory anyway. Whether I can do it, I don't know. No, I'm sure I can do it. So that's about it, guys. Oh yeah.
Just go there and then go.
Matthew's walking now. Matthew, come on. Stand up.
Come to daddy.
Stand up.
Yes, no pinang.
Wee! What? Huh? Daddy kiss. And daddy kiss. Huh? No.
Say ano, beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes, daddy. Daddy.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. What?
Matthew. Matthew. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Just look here. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Matthew, beautiful eyes.
Then kiss. Mama. Oh, lovely. Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
No, you don't want.
No. Now I said to Mel, what did I say to you, Mel, about Matthew?
Always daddy.
He'll always be daddy.
Just ano.
And what is it? It's always daddy.
Just ano, just make it ano.
She'll say, Matthew, come to me, and he'll not. Right? Now if I say come to him, he'll come. Watch. I do. Daddy, come on. See, straight to me. Where you going, daddy?
Just ano, like you cry and then Matthew. Nah, do it. That.
Oh no, I'm not, mate. God, there's something wrong with you. She wants, she's going, oh, show everybody that Matthew will cry, right? Now what it is if I pretend I'm crying and Matthew thinks I'm hurt. The other day he slapped me in the eye, right? And it come a bit keen, and I just pretended and went, oh, and he started crying. He started crying. Where are you going? Didn't you? Hey.
Right now.
No.
No.
It might be acceptable in the Philippines, but it's not acceptable for Westerners. No, they won't think that's very good, babe.
Cry, look. Do it now.
No.
Because he always follow to you, but to me no.
No, he'll not do it because he's happy anyway.
Let's see.
You'll get
Just
some
one
really
now.
bad comments, baby.
It's not. It's just like a fun. Let's see.
It's fun, yeah. Oh, see? He knows I'm messing now. Ain't doing that, he messing. Yeah. Look at all his teeth coming. See, he wants to come to me.
Matthew, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Mat, beautiful eyes. Oy. Beautiful eyes, Matthew.
I said to you, Matthew will be all his daddy, didn't I?
Beautiful.
Want his daddy all the time.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's a good and there's a bad side to it, whereas I can't get nothing done. Because he wants to be with me all the time, don't you, little chicken? So that's it, guys, until we can get out. Oh, I want to show our friend Bill that we've put these up, so we're using them. Thanks very much, Bill. Bill sent these from the US along with everything else. He keeps sending us packages, and we want to thank Bill very much.
Yeah, I hope you're all right.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for your kindness.
Yeah, and we're considering the business opportunity you've put forward to us, aren't we, Mel?
Yeah.
Right, so we've been talking about it, and Mel's trying to talk to her sister about it, so we will get back to you when we've had a decision on it, Bill. We've not forgot. Again, the other day before I forget is I'm thanking my patrons. Guys, if you've ever thought of supporting us on Patreon, this is a good time, because in the last month or so we've lost 5 patrons.
It's alright.
I know it's alright. I know what. No, we're very grateful, and you know, this happens, but if they're getting replaced, it's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, it's double then.
Yeah. So that's it. We're hoping to get out and about. So we know a lot of you like the Centro videos and stuff, don't they? So
Don
if you
and Emily, let's say hello.
Oh, Don and Emily, yeah, and Don Ginachi,
also.
yeah, because we'd not heard nothing from Don for a while, and then all of a sudden we did. So until the next video, guys,
And
it's over to you.
please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
And don't forget to visit our website, our revamped Ed's website. Thanks to Christopher Monk, as always. Ice candy, see? It's always ice candy. Oi, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but